Hi guys, remember in our last video when we took all those frames off of that hive? Today we're gonna be harvesting them. What we're gonna do is we're gonna have this right here. We're gonna take the spatula or whatever tools you have, and we're gonna push it down. Just see all that? Just scrape it all off. It's just one of the ways you can harvest honey. This is called the crush and strain method. And it is very sticky.
I'm gonna do the crushing.
All the honey that is in the comb is gonna be smushed out of it so that we can be able to strain it, and then it'll all drip out into the bowl where we're gonna put it into jars. The next step of the crush and strain is to dump all of the comb and honey into the strainer.
I noticed that this dark stuff is a lot dark, like the honey is darker than the white stuff.
The honey out for several hours so it could drain into the honey things. We just left it overnight, and so now it is ready to be poured into jars.
Okay, so I'm going to start with the smallest bowl because it's the lightest. And I'm going to fill up these big jars first, and then I'm going to fill in these jars with all the comb honey as well. So let me just start over here. And the honey's still super liquidy. You can see it's really easy to move. Yeah. That's why it's important to harvest right away while the honey's still liquid. Otherwise it can get hard and cold, and then it makes it really difficult to harvest. So once the jar starts getting full, go ahead and grab the next jar and then just put it underneath. Wait. And okay, now perfect. And then we'll go ahead and set the jar down. The one in your hand. There you go. Perfect. Grab the next one and we'll just do the same thing. As long as we follow this same process, it's not very messy at all. Why don't you grab one of those comb honey jars next? One of the dark comb.
This one's got honey.
Okay, go ahead and perfect. Set that down.
Perfect.
Bingo.
Bingo. I think we just hit the jackpot.
Grab another comb jar. Okay, perfect.
There's none on this side.
Okay.
It's gone.
Alright, that's good. So I'm gonna just do this. Kind of, my hands are clean. I washed them before we started, so that way I can kind of touch the honey to keep it from spilling. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take these really full ones because they're so full, and I'm going to dump it back into this smaller container so they're a little bit easier to manage as I'm dumping the honey. Grab me a big empty jar, a quart. There we go. I'll start with that, and then we'll go to smaller ones from there.
Thank you guys for watching our honey harvest. We got 4 gallons in 1 quart. It's about 1 quart per frame. We'll see you guys next time.